Creating a well-organized system for small apartments or homes require ongoing adjustments as our needs and lifestyles change over time while the space remains limited. And the entire concept of home organization fails if we do not adapt and reorganize our spaces to meet these changing needs. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. It's been so long. I wanted a linen cabinet where I will store all the bed sheets, bed covers, cushion covers, curtains, blankets, all thing linen. Finally, I am able to empty out our guest bedroom's cabinet space to store all these furnishings in one place. However, dedicating an entire cabinet for linens seems like a luxury in small apartments. So in this video, I will share storage ideas for your everyday furnishings if you don't have a dedicated cabinet space where I organize my new linen cabinet. I hope this video will inspire you to make your home function better. So let's get started. Let's categorize our furnishings first. I have 10 categories for organizing. Extra pillows and cushions, bed sheets, bed covers and pillowcases, towels, cushion covers in various sizes, curtains, blankets, Dohar and throws, dining table covers, placemats and table runners, kitchen towels, kitchen appliances covers, miscellaneous items like old clothes for cleaning and old bed sheets for various use. Sometimes our sleeping pillows sag and we buy new ones to maintain sleep quality. But our inner soul or inner hoarder won't let us throw the old ones away. To store extra pillows and festive throw pillows, use loft space and baskets to keep them dust free. Underbed storage with shallow bins and covers can also work perfectly. I have king size, queen size and single bed sheets with their pillowcases. I find it easier to grab bed sheets and pillowcases from a cabinet rather than a bed box. If you cannot designate a cabinet, follow this rule. Keep like items together. For example, store all your bed sheets, pillow covers, bed covers, duvet covers, throws and blankets in the same place. This saves time when changing bed sheets weekly or bi-weekly. Right now, on the second shelf, I have stacked all the king-size bed sheets with pillow covers beside them. Single bed sheets are on another stack. This basket holds all our bath and hand towels for travel and guest use. They are lighter and smaller than regular towels. Regular towels are stored in the bathroom cabinet, bath towels on the top shelf, and hand and face towels on the third shelf. Here are cushion covers in all sizes: 16 inches, 20 inches, 24 inches, 12 inches and 12 into 20 inches. I would suggest to store different sizes cushion covers in different organizers. And if you don't want to use baskets, then you can stack them and label accordingly. This way it will be so much easier to find exactly the size you need. A sideboard is a great option for storing cushion covers in the living room. TV cabinets or drawers can also work fine if you do not have a linen cabinet. In my linen cabinet, baskets hold different sizes, one for 16 inches, another for 24 inches to 12 to 20 inches, and another for 18 inches. I have used these different baskets to maximize the storage space. I have three types of curtains: room darkening, sheer and semi-sheer. All are in 7.5 feet length. I do use 9 feet sun blocking curtains and sheer curtains in our master bedroom. This one is from Amazon and this one is from Yellow Dwelling. Bed boxes are great for storing curtains. Store them vertically for easy access and it won't create any mess if you take them out. Or you can use a glass cabinet to store curtains neatly for a cozy home vibe. I have organized sheer curtains in this large basket as they can look messy when stacked. Non-sheer curtains go in a pull-out drawer. After stacking all the curtains, I am able to maximize the entire drawer. Lofts are best place to store heavier blankets since we use them only during the winter time. For lighter duvet, Dohar and throws, I prefer to store them where they are easily accessible. This box holds all of them together compactly. I store dining table covers in this sideboard beside the dining table. Recently, we bought a convertible dining table that converts from a 4-seater to 6-seater. I already had 6-seater dining table covers, so I kept 2 as they were and tailored the other 2 to fit the 4-seater size. In the same sideboard, I store all the placemats in the second drawer. The first drawer holds ironing essentials. And the third drawer is for table runners, which I mostly use on the sideboards. I store all my kitchen towels and other essentials like muslin cloths, vegetable bags for refrigerator in this kitchen drawer. Wall hanging baskets are also a great option to store kitchen linens to save cabinet or drawer space in a small kitchen. I have a few covers that I use to cover kitchen appliances like the refrigerator, oven cabinet and a dishwasher. These are actually two-seater dining table covers and I find them extremely useful for covering various gadgets in the home. You can store them in your kitchen cabinets if you have space. However, since I have limited cabinet space, I prefer to store them in the linen closet here in this basket. This basket is from IKEA and this basket holds all the old bed sheets that we use during home cleaning, painting or even to cover the furniture before going on a long vacation. It also contains old cloth pieces for wipe and throw jobs. Everything will be handy in this big box. There is an immense satisfaction in organizing a section of your home and this project was long overdue. I love how everything turned out. Remember, home organization is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. I hope this video provides clarity and inspiration for organizing your small space. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.